Art Stevenka and I founded the company in 2011, and back then we were doing bicycle advertising wheels. So in 2015 we pivoted into a completely different product, which is the HYPERVSN platform that we sell today. It's a platform that enables to deliver 3D content floating in the air in any part of the planet.
Today HYPERVSN is around 170 people. Our headquarters are in London, where we do all of our sales and marketing activities from. Our R&D center is located in Belarus and Minsk.
With our mainstream product, the HYPERVSN platform, we support a number of industries, including digital signage, digital out-of-home advertising, events and entertainment.
When you think about the top brands in various industries in the world, we're most likely working with them.
In other words, we can support any company or individuals that really want to display something in 3D.
When you invent something new, like ours technology, it's very hard to predict how quickly will the market adapt it. In terms of manufacturing a product, we also need to be adaptable in terms of volumes. It was important for us to find a partner whose operational team and the team on the floor would be able to fit with our team and support us in solving our day-to-day activities. And Flex was the partner who definitely supported us in that.
We as human beings, we live in a 3D world. We see each other in 3D, touch 3D objects, so everything is in 3D. And you can see how augmented reality, virtual reality is taking off. And this is what we are bringing to this table. We're bringing 3D immersive experiences to the planet.